Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. Today I have a short morning routine for you to work on your flexibility. We're going to start with a little bit of tapping to activate the energy in the body and then do 3 of my favorite exercises that I practice almost on a daily basis. Let's begin. Stand up nice and tall with your feet firm on the ground. Soften your knees and relax your lower back by tucking your tailbone slightly in. Take a moment here to lengthen through your spine upwards through the crown of the head. Same time, drop your shoulders down. We begin by rubbing the hands together. Keep your shoulders nice and relaxed and bring your attention to the center of your palm. Do that until you begin to feel a pleasant warmth coming through. Then take it to the back of the hand. Rub the thumb and the rest of the fingers. Switch hands. Again, trying to bring awareness to your hands and your palms. Then dry wash your hands. Very good. From here, we're going to move the skin on the head. In no particular order, just go ahead and really give yourself a good massage. Make sure you feel the skin moving. Put in a little bit of pressure with your fingers. Also cover the area behind the ears. Move it all around. And the back, where the head connects the neck, give it a good rub as well. Very good. And relax. Next, massage the ears. Pull, twist, and turn whichever way feels comfortable. But make sure you give it a good rub. So your ears begin to feel warm and alive. Very, very good. Relax. Then with your fingertips, go ahead and knock on the chest. And every time you tap, just feel the sensations getting stronger and stronger. Allow your chest to relax. Very good. Next, knock on the ribs. All the movements are very light. Very, very good. From here, we're going to knock on the kidneys and the lower back. Going up and down. Very, very good. And then go ahead and tap all the way down the sides of the legs. Bend your knees, go all the way to your ankles. Tap on your front and then tap. Come up on the inner leg. Knock on the hips, then move to the sides. One more time, go down. And up. Relax. Very good. Shake off your feet to the side. Rub your hands one more time. Next, we're going to take a nice deep breath in. Come up on your toes. Exhale. When we inhale, you want to feel the lift and expansion. When you exhale, you want to feel release and cleanse. Releasing all stagnant chi, replenishing with good, vital, fresh chi. So inhale. Exhale. Just let it pour down through your feet into the ground. And then breathe in, opening the chest. Exhale. Feel the cleanse, feel the release. One more time, breathe in. Take in fresh chi of the day and then exhale. All the way down. Very good. From here, go ahead and interlace your fingers. Turn and press upwards, focusing on the front. Make sure your rib cage is lifted. Everything is looking up, nice and toned. Release and let everything relax. Going straight down and repeat the movement. Here your main focus is on the front of the body, the front of the neck, the chest, the rib cage, the belly. Everything is lifted and open. Relax and soften. Go ahead and repeat. Breathe normally here. As natural as possible. Never hold your breath. Release. Relax the back of your neck. Relax your shoulders. Feel that relaxation going down your body. One more time. Down and up. Opening, feeling that lift. Release fully and soften. Relax for a moment. Let your chest open. Let your arms fill up with energy. Just feel that activation. Then go ahead from the side. All the way up. And then bring your hands down the center. When your hands pass the chest, turn and move to the lower back. Go ahead and push forward, look up. Release. With your back nice and straight, go down the back of your legs. Keep your head up so we're not crushing everything. Your spine is nice and long. And then let your arms go first, followed by your body, by your torso. And then we grab ourselves by the wrist to lean and open to the side. Release, switch hands and lean to the other side. Make sure you can still breathe, that's important. And then from here we're gonna go big range of motion, opening through the fingers, through the chest, just feel that expansion. And then let everything soften again. Go through the sides. Bring your hands down. Make sure you feel grounded and stable on your feet, rooted. Take it to the back and forward. Release slowly. With a straight back, go down. Move your hands to the front. Take a moment to lengthen through your spine here. And then follow your hands. Open, open, open. Relax your neck. And lean to the side. Back to center. All the movements are slow, mindful. I want you to really feel your body, every inch of the movement. Now feel an expansion in your chest, your arms feel long, and we relax. One more time. Go up, down, go to the back. Your hands on your kidneys, push forward. Release, back to straight, and forward again. Notice your hands, what you feel at the back of your legs. Feel that nice, good stretch. Move to the front, take in a little deeper. By deeper, I mean forward. And then hands go forward. We raise up with a straight back. And lean to the side. You want to feel a stretch, but not to the point when you can't breathe. Be mindful. Be gentle. Be loving to yourself, to your body. Come back. And we open. Going into this big circle, opening through their fingers. And then relax. Relax your entire upper body. Soften your arms. And already notice how you feel. Then bring your feet closer together. With a straight back, we're going to squat down and tap the knees. Make sure your lower back is nice and relaxed and all your power is in your legs. Pause, stand up. Moment of nice relaxation, just feel the softness there, no tension. One more time, we go down, we tap. And stop, stand up. We're going to continue going up and down, but this time turn to the side, keeping the good posture, straight spine. Raise your hands all the way to the top. And then pressing down, squat. Oh, I have the little plant behind me. So you get the idea. You want to keep a good posture. And we're going to rotate as we come down. Finding strength in our lower body. Balancing on the feet. Very, very good. One more time. And we go down. Here, we're gonna turn to the other side. Inhale, raise up. Exhale, go down. A general rule for breathing. Inhale as you open, lift, expand the body. Exhale as you relax, contract, close. So when hands go up, it's a natural inhale. When hands go down, that's an exhale. Last one on this side. Back to center. And stand up. Take a moment here. Keep your feet where they are. Take a moment here to just let your whole body soften. Let your body open up. Feel the life force circulating inside you. Feel that awareness that maybe wasn't there before, but now you feel your body from head to toe. This is the beauty of it. This is the gift. Very good. And step, feet parallel. And let's just take a couple of nice deep breaths. Breathe in, stay on the ground. Exhale. Begin to deepen your breath. Begin to soften your breath. Breathe in. Feel your inhale being full and relaxed. Feel your exhale being comforting and easy. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And exhale. Relax your hands to the side. Take a moment to quickly scan your body from head to toe. Notice what this time gave you, how it changed the way you feel physically, mentally. And finish your practice. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this routine. It was nice and short, yet very impactful. So if you want to go deeper into your practice, I have a longer morning routine based on what we just did on my membership site. So feel free to check it out and join me there. Enjoy the rest of your day, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.